in this video we are going to be analysing CNEY. Now this was asked by someone in the comments, so we will get straight into it. Obviously, as an intraday, it's a weird one to trade. The volume is there. I mean, a lot of the times you can see these are 1 minute candles. You are hitting, 100,000 volume plus. And on those candles, it's right to trade. The other time, it's very choppy, quite ugly to trade. So seeing this, it would be something I'd be looking at more swing bias. I think it would be a bit of a difficult stock to day trade. But what are we looking at though, going on this stock going forward? So very oversold is what the guy said in the comments. Is it a good buy opportunity? Now, don't know the fundamentals of the company. So again, if I'm looking to hold it long term, you want to know the fundamentals. But from a technical standpoint, if again, I'm looking to trade this, I'm hedging my risks. Because again, you're just at least willing to lose what you put in. Because again, it's a trade. These kind of stocks are very volatile. If it did continue to fall, you want to be protected. So again, these are the kind of trades I'll probably put in smaller size because they just have so much percentage upside. So it'd probably be a trader going with no more than $1,000, but you can get some good risk to rewards kind of on this trade. Now, is it a good buy opportunity? From a technical standpoint, yes. We've broken that third deviation on the 6 month. We just hit that third deviation on the 1 year. A very good buying opportunity. And yeah, really within this zone of 63 to 55 cents, really good buying opportunity if you bought in there. Again, this could more or less be the bottom. Again, we can never 100% say that for sure, but if at the minimum we did get that pullback opportunity, and again, like we say, whenever we do these analysis, what do you do when you first time hit the level? That's the pullback move. So let's say you got it exactly on the deviation, that provided a 20% pullback move. Now your stop would be break even. And again, then you're looking to play the move back towards statistical mean. So you could be looking for about 400% upside on this kind of trade. Even now, obviously, if you get in, you're going to decrease those percentage gains a bit, but I mean you're still going to be looking at this 300% plus. So that is obviously the first thing. Now our stock would be at break even, so if I was long, I'd be looking to trade at long bias. But if it does come back down to this level, it would be something I would look to stop out on, and I would wait for that break to either 55 cents. Again, that can provide a long bias level, or if we did break lower, 23 cents as that next long bias level. But at where we are now, at least from a technical standpoint, very oversold, could be a great buying opportunity. But again, always do your own due diligence. If you are looking to hold this long term, understand the fundamentals. Should it be this low, or is it just oversold? Now, what are we looking at going forward? So targets to the upside. And what I'd really be paying attention to, our first target, so if you're along now, again, really we're trying to hold into about 90 cents, 91 cents, third deviation on the 6 month. Now this one will be key, because if we fail to break above this level, expect a continuation lower. If we are able to break this, then it is quite a good sign we are going to continue up. We're looking at $1.03 as that target. If we break that, we're looking at 130, going high would be 145, 167, and these would be the final levels which I wouldn't look to hold past, and that would be $2.05 and $1.85. Now these would be my final resistances, and if we were holding it long, which I imagine you are now, if you are looking to trade it, I wouldn't be holding it past at those levels, because that is considered fair value. Holding through there is much more of a gamble. Getting anywhere down here, obviously the odds are on your side. Why is that? Overbought. On a statistical basis, obviously we are very overbought. We should see a pushback above that third deviation. So the odds are in our favor that it will push to the upside. Obviously, you're never going to be right 100% of the time, and that's why it's all about being risk managed. But at least the odds are in our favor that now we will push higher, and that's what I'd be looking at on this stock. I wouldn't be looking to take any short bias plays on this stock, only long bias at where we are currently sitting. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the breakdown. If you did, why not drop a like and subscribe and check out one of these 2 analysis videos.